Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jules and this is DIY with Jules. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am happy to have you. In my channel, you will find lots of diamond and glitter. You will find home decor and lots of things for your home on a budget. If this is the type of thing that you like, stick with me and see what I come up with next. Today's video, I will be revamping these three candle holders that I picked up at a local thrift store. They are brown and green. They're more like a Thanksgiving color, and I am not into it. So I am totally into the chinoiserie type of style, the navy blue and white. You guys saw my pumpkin revamp. So I will be revamping these candle holders that I got for $9. These are the same napkins that I used on the pumpkin that I did last year, and I had some left over. I was so happy that I found these candle holders because I really wanted to find some candle holders with that type of design, but I have not seen them anywhere. So I will be coming up with my own chinoiserie design on these candle holders, as you do with everything that you are going to Mod Podge. The napkin should be separated. The thinner the napkin, the better it is. You cut it into smaller pieces so that your napkin can go on the rounded surface a little better. If you try to put the whole napkin on it, it's going to end up wrinkling on you. I started by cutting the napkin into smaller pieces and later on decided to cut them larger because I wanted a more uniform look with the design, and when I was gluing it on as the smaller diamond patches, it looked a little too patchy. So I cut the napkin in half and then started gluing it one full piece at a time. For this project, I used gloss Mod Podge because I wanted the outer section to be nice and shiny. And you'll see when I started the project, I started with the smaller patches, and then you'll see that I switch over to the larger pieces. As you can see here, I went even larger, but as you put it on, like I said before, if you make it too large, it'll start wrinkling up on you, and you don't want that. You want it to be as smooth as possible. So I cut a piece off and then I kept on until I finished all three. Also, you can use plastic wrap. Right now, I'm using my fingers and I'm smoothing it down, and then using the brush. But you can actually use plastic wrap and lay it on top of it and use that to smooth it out, so that the napkin won't break. This napkin was pretty strong. It was very delicate, but it held on really well. And the paper went out on really nice and really smooth. But if you have any other napkin that gives you a hard time, you can use plastic wrap. One thing I would say, if I had to do it all again, I would definitely paint the candle holders white before I put the napkin on, because you can see the design through, and I ended up having to give it an extra coat. Now to let them dry overnight, and then tomorrow I can come back and embellish with some diamond wrap and do my apothecary jar. And this is 24 hours later. They are absolutely gorgeous. I used the crystal diamond wrap that I use with all my projects. It makes everything look so expensive and high end. I also had this white apothecary jar that I picked up in my last uh, thrifting haul, and I decided to Mod Podge the napkin on this also, and it came out so stinking cute. When you're using Mod Podge and you are using it on things that have edges like this, you see how easy it is to Mod Podge right up until the edge, and then you just pull on the napkin slowly, and because it's wet, it will just rip right off at the seam. I finished off the apothecary by adding a little bling wrap to the top. And this is what it looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. I am so in love with it. It is high end. They look like I actually bought them at the store, and they look very expensive. I'm really happy with how they came out. Guys, let me know down below what you think. I am going to be so happy once I put them into my new house. And by the way, this is a preview of what's to come. I'm so excited about my new home. Well, that's it for today. Thank you guys for stopping by. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Have a wonderful day and be safe.